The storm is very strong tonight.
Yes, the wind is very loud.
Wow! I see bright lightning! I feel a little scared.
Do not worry. We are safe.
That sound is so big!
The power is gone now.
The room looks pretty.
Let us stay warm together.
I like family time.
The storm is still outside.
This milk is very nice.
Everything is safe here.
The flame dances in the wind.
That is very funny.
The light is so bright.
The storm will end soon.
Can we read together?
This story is very nice.
I like this little rabbit. The rabbit looks silly.
Everything is okay.
Dinner is ready now.
The soup smells very good. The storm is becoming smaller.